I just wanted to say happy birthday to such an icon. You are great. You deserve everything good under the sun. And may God bless you with many, many more.
I mean, she, to be honest with you, man, she's a
bad things, fine as hell, thick as fuck. Oh my God, that's my baby, Caroline.
Go, shawty. It's your birthday. Hello, everyone. What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Caroline, and it's my 25th birthday. Yay! Thank you. Much love. I know. One of my favorite holidays, too. For my 25th birthday, I tried to do something a little special from me to me, and I booked myself a little cute hotel in New York, just so I can have a mini photo shoot with myself, because I don't like taking my own pictures. I feel super insecure when people are taking pictures for me. I don't know, you get it. So you guys are just gonna watch me as I install my birthday photo shoot wig. This wig is from WestKiss Hair. Links will be down below. It is a body wave 13x6 by them. But let's get right into this video.
You dey wine without no caution. Say tonight I go take control. I want your body on top my body. Act like say you say nobody. Hook up on it and wind up on it. Shake it for me, come wind up for sis. I want your body on top my body. Act like say you say nobody. Hook up on it and wind up on it. Shake it for me, come wind up for sis. Ojoro, 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 ojara, ojoro, 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 ojara, jo, 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 jo. Jo, 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 jo. Ojoro, 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 ojara, ojoro, 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 ojara, jo, 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 jo. Jo, 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 jo. Cause the way you move your body so spiritual, yeah. You make me want to come body, so yeah, you make me want to come body, so the way you whine make me lose all my dough. You make me want to throw money, so yeah, you make me want to throw money, so say girl, you know that I like you and you like me, so what they say, oh don't you feel the chemistry, yeah. Say girl, you put me in the mood, you fix me up right next to you, oh don't you feel the chemistry, yeah.
Hey man, yeah man. What you gonna do to this new whiskey vibe though? Fuck it up though. I say what you gonna do to this new whiskey vibe though?
So are you gonna juro me one time? Are you gonna juro me two times? Are you gonna juro me three times? Are you gonna juro me four times? Are you gonna juro me one time? Yeah. Are you gonna juro me two times? Are you gonna juro me three times? Are you gonna juro me four times? Say are you gonna juro me one time? Yeah. Are you gonna juro me two times? No. Are you gonna juro me three times? Are you gonna juro me four times? Ojoro, 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 ojara, joro, ojoro, ojoro, ojara, jo, 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 jo. Jo, 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 jo. Ojoro, 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 ojara, joro, ojoro, ojoro, ojara, jo, 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 jo. Jo, 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 jo. Say girl, you know that I like you and you like me, so what they say, oh don't you feel the chemistry, yeah. Say girl, you put me in the mood, you fix me up right next to you, oh don't you feel the chemistry, yeah. Ojoro, 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 oh fi mi kola, oh kola, oh kola, oh de wa tata, oh tata, oh tata, oh tata, ri mi, oh kola, fi mi, go back, go back, go back.
The console.
about vacation, flight catching, train taking. Soon as the nigga off probation, your boyfriend's on a waiting thing, looking for one wish on a Ray J thing. I prayed that girl, outrageous thing, but she can't see cause I got shades and thing. Bad girls wanna throw shade and thing, no shade, but shade is your foundation thing. Darkest grey, the shade I'm in. 49 more if your babes want it. I had me a famous thing, goals and things, gains and things. My house party, a babe station. Girls want to chase, it's a status thing. Tell me the location, then I'll be right there. I come check it out, babe. No time, no. My dog is on probation. Another 5 years. The 3 girls to his no good. No time, no. Look, playboy, I don't need a party. Captain, I lead the army. Bad ratio, I leave the party. Free Somalis, creeping army. Your ex-wavy, we tsunami. Girl from India, sweetest nani. Head so good now, speak Gujarati. You pardon me, I'm laughing again. I assisted, man, passed my friend. Money like the alphabet. If you wanna see P's, gotta pass on the M's. Here a long way from a park in a Benz to an 18 plate man's park in a Benz. Far from the rest, but I'm far from the best. Life is a lesson, I'm passing a test. Yes, everything blessed. I don't want drama and I don't want stress. My girl got finesse, Caribbean flex. Body and chest, take body and chest. Thank God more, I grew up with less. Just to the right, raps to the left. Arge in the middle, got C to the death. Batch full of dogs with the 60s vets. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. You make her come check you out, babe. No time, no. My dog is on probation. Another 5 years. The 3 girls to his no good. No time, no. I'm made it to the top right now. And I can pull a couple grand in my pocket right now. Yeah, I'm so fly, I'm flying in the rocket right now. On all the games you play, never stop right now. I pull up on the block, I see everybody watching. Cause there's diamonds on my chain, and there's diamonds on my watch. Money moves, off-white shoes, come straight from Virgil, I blow. I've been down, I've been low, had my mattress on the floor. When my cinema, my big fat slip on it. In the big black Benz pulling up. There's everybody to start pulling up. Love champagne from the bar coming up. T.I. make I live my life. Nigga, I was down, but I made it to the top right now. You know the pull a couple grand in my pocket right now. Yeah, I'm so fly, I'm flying in the rocket right now. And I'ma get you please for stop right now. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And you can come check it out, babe. No time, no. My dog is on probation. Another 5 years. The 3 girls to his no good. No time, no.
Where the money, where the money, where the paper, where the fire, where the fire. Who do the beat, who do the beat, who do the beat, oh man. I'm a head and I show it. Who the fire,
Espling on the track.
who the paper. No look face, make you pop that away. No look face, make you pop that rose. If you like the shank, man, girl, make you rock that low waist. I just invite to the beat and I just want no waste time. Suck up, you know say I know fi fuck up. Forget say I did get the lock up. If I start, you know say me I don't come. Oh yeah, make you suck up. You know say me I know fi fuck up. Forget say me I just a lock up. If I did yet, they know say me I don't come. She's a killer. See this girl, she's a diva. The way she dey roll like a ninja. The way she dey swagger my ginger. Oh, yeah. She's a killer. The way she dey make me dey shiver. Anything way she wants to. But you tell me, I swear I go give 'em. I go give 'em. You go to cruise for my beamer. On my left, say you go be mine. You know, see the channel be sweeter. You know, sweeter. Oh yeah, no vex me. You know, see I know they like me, person stress me. Don't blame me, never, but God bless me. Yeah.
S play on the track.
No look fresh, make you pop that way.
And here we are with the final look. And ooh, I felt so pretty. And I don't know, I just was really happy this day. I had a really good birthday. My pictures came out super pretty. I never do anything for my birthday, so just doing this for myself and, you know, actually celebrating me, because I am someone who's worth celebrating. We all are. Just felt really nice. So if your birthday's coming up and you don't do anything, I recommend for once do something, even if it's just you, because you deserve it, you know. But that's all I have for you guys. Peace out and see you another one. Goodbye.